This 2018 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Curvel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, self-contained, slide-out, skylight, water heater, oven, external shower, DVD player, TV antenna, stovetop burner, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features outdoor entertainment. This 2018 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH is built on a Freightliner XC Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Curvel's RV.